Yeah. So what are you guys doing?
Pressure washing the side of the building.
Yeah, he's pressure washing today because I did these sidewalks yesterday. Look how nice they look.
They do look so much nicer.
But yeah, there's like a whole ecosystem over there, so we gotta take care of that.
He's doing that. I'm just gonna go clean some cars, wipe some windows and things. I got moist enough yesterday doing that.
It's my turn to get moist.
Yeah.
This thing.
Yeah, this thing is sick.
What's up, buddy?
What you doing, buddy?
Doing a little bit of wiring.
A little wiring, a little K-truck wiring.
Trying to get the all-wheel drive to work. And it's working now.
I'm good. You did your job.
Finalize it and make it look all pretty.
Yeah.
You ain't making a K-truck look pretty.
What's going on, guys?
What are y'all doing today?
Well, I'm getting ready to send this off. If you can see the sneak peek behind there, this is our good buddy Shannon's cylinder head for his GTR, going out to get some fabulous head games work done. So we'll send that off. We've got all the rest of his stuff is at the machine shop, and then down to coating at Old Best Damn Powder Coating. Check those guys out for all your coating needs. That's the only pretty much shop we use. I say only pretty much as in, yeah, that's the only shop. Says it in the name, Best Damn Powder Coating.
Oh, yeah, here he is.
That's him right there.
How could you not love this man?
This magic moment. It's very huggable
He even
face.
smells a little squashy, and you know,
Yeah.
give them a little sniff. Give them a sniff. You smell it? It's like squash.
Scratch and sniff.
It's great.
Yeah, you got scratch. There's a certain area you gotta scratch and sniff though.
Scratch under the beard. Probably smells like nacho cheese. Comment below if you know what under Chris Kirby's beard smells like. This little guy.
Yeah. So while Josh is over there kicking some car that don't want to cooperate,
Yeah, that too.
I'm just doing a simple little mod upgrade restoration style, quick in and out GTR build. So this is Connor Wojcik's car. We did a simple bolt on some Dash 5 turbos. We did some wrinkle black covers, wrinkle black intake manifold, Driver Motorsports catch can, just some simple bolt-ons, and then we're going with a Haltech Platinum Pro as well. I don't know.
It's gorgeous.
Keeping it stock. This is, I mean, it's going to be a fun car at 400, 450.
Nice solid horsepower for a GTR.
Yeah, I mean, that's all you need for these cars.
Street ability.
Honestly. Yeah.
We don't need 1500, Josh.
I don't need 1500. I need 2200. That's just because that's what my friend says I need.
Is this your friend?
No.
No, the
Awkward.
down under friend.
My down under friend.
Oh, Herman.
Herman. That's my best good friend. We're friends for life now, man. Did you guys see on his Easter promo sale on the old Instas? He's wearing a Japan Auto Legends t-shirt. So he's rocking Driver Motorsports gear all the time. And then down at TX2K, he was wearing Driver Motorsports gear, which is awesome. It's kind of weird with
Talking about
Cody in here with this camera.
Yeah, so if y'all haven't noticed, we've upgraded a little bit.
Hang on, I'll show you.
So I'm
Is
learning
that,
how to use a camera.
Is that
So this
inflection?
That's what he looked like.
What is what's that movie?
Inception?
Inception.
So Ed, you want to explain real quick what we're doing?
It's home improvement day.
This-
It's not home because we're not at home. It's
like-
business improvement day.
It's like pre-spring cleaning.
So you can, I'm sure you can see the difference. Maybe not. Daniel pressure washed all the sidewalks yesterday. This is not a good judge because this is the side of the building that doesn't ever get any sun. But Cody will walk you back around front and you can see it's looking
fresh. See, no more stains from the downspouts. All nice and fresh. Well, they're kind of stained down there, but it's an old building.
Well, we got some unmolested concrete right there. It looks terrible. And this was great.
So yeah, you should definitely get some footage of that.
What's all on the agenda as far as this goes?
Finish it. As far as the rest of the improvements, we've just cleaned up some stuff that's just been sitting around the dumpster, moved some tires around, took scrap metal to the scrap metal place yesterday. What else have we done? We relined up the cars back up front because, you know, people be pulling cars out of there and then there's just big old gaps, so we try to keep it looking fresh. So did that, sprayed for weeds. Yeah, we got to spend some more time on the stock room. I don't know if you guys have seen that yet, but it's looking pretty cool. It's big. Old and busted, new hotness.
Old and busted, new hotness.
Not finished yet at all. We have the shelves in. All of this stuff is in our inventory system. But you can see we have a couple of empty shelves yet. All the microfibers in stock. And then we have some pegboards set up at the end. We're going to put like wipers on and really squeaky shoes. Wipers on and hood lift supports, belts, things that hang easily. Got all the fluids here and the filters, some paints. It's nice.
More room.
Less clutter, more organization.
We recorded. We're doing it. So we're going to be listing this Toyota Century today, and I think this video is coming out today.
It is.
So you guys are seeing up-to-date, fresh info. It's turned backwards because we like looking at the booty, but really it's just we took pictures and they didn't turn it around. So if you don't know what a Toyota Century is, this is Toyota's top-of-the-line flagship luxury vehicle. We talked briefly about them before with the one that we have. This one particularly has 49,000 original miles. It's in incredible condition. It's black on black on black on black on black on black on black. This paint looks incredible. We put some 20-inch WEDs, crayons, LXZs on there. 20s fit perfectly on this thing. And of course some new BC Racing coilovers, and it's got a V12. Other than that, like it's, you know, other than the wheels, coilovers, and tint that we did to it, new tires and things like that, but power wise, body wise, everything is bone stock. So rides absolutely incredibly, and I know that we've talked about all the features of them before, but there is just so much to talk about on here that we don't have the time to get into with this video. Under the hood, you know, Toyota did their thing and just covered everything with plastic, but it does look really good. Not a whole lot to see under the hood, but that makes a really clean engine bay, you know, really easy to get into things. Where it's really cool on these cars is the back seat. Like the back seat houses all the insane bits. I'm playing with buttons. Oh, I'm just adjusting the lateral stuff. Sorry. This is the front seat. Pop this down, get your feet through. You got a TV back here with your remote. You can hide stuff under here, little touches, just like the fabric inside of here. But yeah, I mean, they're just absolutely incredible vehicles. I'll push all these buttons. Oh, lumbar. I'm gonna have to push this forward more, sorry. So many buttons. This goes out so far. Like it reclines so far. Like I'm in a full-on recliner, and then even here you've got adjustable everything up and down. You know, vanity mirror up here. Your lights do dim actually, so just little things like that. Just super cool cars. I don't know what else to say about them except for that if you have the opportunity to own one, you 100% should. They're incredibly comfortable. Even on coilovers, they're more comfortable than any vehicle you've ever driven in. And
The power is there. The steering wheel feels like nice and light as far as how big and heavy this vehicle is. I've got that seat all the way forward. I would be more than comfortable up there. I'm like 5'9"-ish for reference, but I've got forever, you know, to the front seat. Even fully reclined, let's see, in ultimate like kill chill mode. Like there's a ton of leg room in this car. They're insane. You should own one, and we'll be selling this one. We've got a few more too. But thanks for watching the video. I hope you guys liked it, and we're gonna have a ton of content coming out. We're taking some serious reins of our marketing side of things, and YouTube falls into that. So be on the lookout for more consistent content from us and some really cool things that we're doing in the future. See you next time.